Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to unblock someone on Messenger. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So first and foremost, all you need to do is simply tap open your Messenger app. Once you open your Messenger app, you will end up in this kind of interface, so simply tap on the hamburger-like icon on the left-hand side and select the settings option. So from here, all you need to do is simply tap on the privacy and safety option and tap on the blocked accounts. Now simply tap on the person you want to unblock and then hit the unblock button. Once you do so, it will take few seconds to unblock the person you had blocked previously. So following this way, you can unblock someone on Messenger. I hope you liked the video, so don't forget to hit the subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos. Thank you for watching.